If you are using ServiceNow, you probably do some sort of reporting within the platform, or are interested in some form of data analytics. You know how vast and expansive the software can be, and more so, how frustrating it can be to get the data you need from the platform when you need it. Well, great news. Perspectium can help. Perspectium's data sync is designed to push data out of ServiceNow in real time, thus eliminating costly queries using the ServiceNow REST API. Since Perspectium does not use the REST API, it does not operate or depend on the same web services layer of your ServiceNow users, making our solution a low to no performance impact on your user experience. Perspectium Data Sync supports the most popular and prominent data targets in use today. Using Perspectium's Data Sync is as easy as selecting the table you would like to replicate data from, the actions to trigger the replication, and saving your settings. No complex coding or complicated setup required. Have questions or want to see a demonstration of Perspectium's Data Sync? Please contact our sales team for a customized demo today.